No coding experience? No problem. Imagine having the power of AI at your fingertips to transform your market analysis. With our educational course, you'll learn how to leverage advanced algorithms and data analysis to make informed decisions in real time. Picture this: while others are guessing, you'll be using AI to identify trends, predict market movements, and optimize your strategies. Our course breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand lessons, blending theory with practical applications. You'll gain access to information that will help you automate your data-driven platform, allowing you to focus on what really matters, growing your portfolio. Join a community of like-minded market enthusiasts, share insights, and watch your confidence soar as you harness the latest technology. Work smart with and elevate your future today with AI Bot Platform. Click the link below and learn more about our master course.